Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing well. So unfortunately today there's some bad news. I guess like for people that were hoping for CYA to recover or for people that are looking for long hedges. Uh, Unfortunately, it's not going to make it. Unfortunately, ETFs don't always last forever, and CYA unfortunately will have to bite the dust. So from September 2021 to March 2024, it's kind of, I guess it's not too exciting. I mean, not too surprising, but it's just it, you still kind of like feel bad because this is actually a pretty good idea, but I guess like the market obviously doesn't agree. So according to like this SEC filing, the last trading day for this ETF is going to be March 7th, and the actual liquidation itself will be March 14th. So I guess like if you're in this fund, I guess you can probably just like sell it and try to recover whatever you can. Wish I had better news. Sometimes SEC dumpster diving doesn't always get um like any good rewards. So now what? Like for myself personally, I was kind of looking at this. I was kind of hoping that maybe this was like a cheap way to maybe hedge like a portfolio. But there are some other options here. I guess like the next best one might be like something called Tail. But again, it's one of those ETFs that in a low volatility and the stock market is appreciating, these type of funds will unfortunately kind of be a drag. It's kind of like just like buying insurance, where most of the time nothing bad happens, but then when it does, like you'll be glad you have something. So this Cambria Tail ETF is basically buying out of the money SPX puts. So just be aware of that. Like this, like if you decide to buy into like any of these hedges, um, that it's going to potentially be a drag. The next ones I'm kind of waiting for are like the themes, like the VIX short puts. Again, this one isn't released yet, but there is a SEC filing, so hopefully it gets approved sometime in the near future. Same thing with the yield max inverse ETFs. These are also unreleased, and I'm eagerly awaiting the arrival of these ETFs as well. So I guess like don't get too bummed out if you happen to be in this CYA fund. I mean, I guess like stuff happens. But there's plenty of like high yield goodies like coming soon. And then as always, like try to have like a mix of like different income-based investments like treasuries, dividend aristocrats, etc. And then the rest are like some of these expense ratios on these ETFs are kind of on the higher side. Of course, you don't have any option strike selection, like control, and then implied volatility could collapse, and things will definitely get cheaper. As you can see with the CYA ETF's price, the yields definitely won't be consistent month to month, and don't just go chasing like the highest yield. And most of these you can't borrow against them yet. And unfortunately, I'm having uh, some health things going on, and I won't be like around forever to the public. But let's try to keep positive, like hope that things get better, and I hope everybody likes this type of content. Please consider subscribing. Um, I hope everyone is making some good money out there, despite like these ETFs like going out of business and getting liquidated. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye now.